What I've been working on. Grinding. It's the old tool case that I had. That's what we got so far. So we got 2 batteries. We got a cordless screwdriver, an extra servo, the charger, the transmitter, the cord for the charger will go right there, some bits, and a little baggie of screws will go right here. And basically this kit is going to get set up for my boat. So I could use it for other things, other RCs, but I'm building this so when I go take my boat to the lake, I have all the stuff in this kit. So, yeah. But gotta do some bracing because I cut out all the plastic. Well, there's a lot of plastic in this case. Gotta screw it all together. Gotta clean it up. Gotta sand it. I don't know. I was thinking about painting the inside of this black, but I don't know. Might just leave it. And it goes like this. Gonna have to put something on this side so when I carry it, this all don't flop over in there. So I'll probably take a couple of these, lay them like that, or lay them like that, and then like that. But I'll have to screw it where it goes above this, because the charger and the transmitter is above that, so gonna have to screw it above that in this case, which is fine. I believe it's gonna be close. Or what I'm gonna have to do is I could do it sideways like that, let's see how. I have to do some more grinding right there, but it's coming along great. Beats buying a carrying case. I seen them all the way up at $250. That's way too much for a bag, so this is better. So catch you on the next one.